Sometimes things just take longer. Longer to figure something out, longer to get certain things done, longer to heal, to reach a place you thought you'd be by now. And that's not failure, it's life moving at its own pace. I'm Deborah. Welcome back to the Collage table. Today I'm working on a gluebook spread and sharing why it's okay if things are taking more time than you thought they would. You probably feel it too, that constant push to measure progress. There's always another goal, another next step waiting for you, but not everything moves at that pace. Some things just take longer, not because you're doing anything wrong, but because that's the rhythm they need. It's hard when the world keeps telling you to go faster, but sometimes slower is what actually gets you where you're meant to be. Take figuring things out. Sometimes we expect answers to come quickly, decisions, understanding ourselves, knowing what we want, and when they don't, it can feel frustrating. Sometimes slow progress makes us question ourselves. Am I doing this wrong? Will I ever figure it out? Those thoughts are normal. You don't have to have all the answers right now. Quietly noticing these doubts and reminding yourself you're learning as you go can help you keep moving forward. Give yourself space to think, to make mistakes, to try different directions. You don't need to rush. Write down your thoughts or just let them settle quietly. It can help. I'll be honest with you. I'm known to be impatient. I like things to move forward, to see results. Waiting doesn't come easily for me. It might even be one of the reasons I loved living in New York so much. That constant movement, that sense that everything is always happening. Everything and everybody goes full speed, never slow. But over time I've learned that impatience usually means I care deeply about the outcome. It's not a flaw, it's a sign of wanting something to work. What helps is noticing the impatience without letting it take over. Sometimes, instead of pushing harder, the best thing I can do is pause, step back, and let things breathe a little. Progress doesn't always respond to pressure. Patience is also necessary for the everyday stuff, the projects, the plans, the things that never seem to move as quickly as we want them to. Even small tasks often take longer than we expect. Deadlines stretch, life interrupts. It's easy to feel behind. The way through this is to focus on small steps instead of the finish line. There are moments when it feels like nothing is happening at all. You might feel stuck or wonder if your effort is enough. But even small steps, small changes, and small choices are progress. Celebrate the little things you complete. Finishing slowly is still finishing, and it matters. Healing takes time too. Emotional, physical, or mental healing rarely follows a schedule. Grief, stress, or recovering from setbacks can stretch longer than we thought. When that happens, be patient with yourself. Let yourself feel what you feel. Ask for support when you need it. Every small step, even invisible ones, counts. And then there's where you thought you'd be by now. Maybe it's in your career, your relationships, or just how you imagined life would feel at this point. When things don't line up with that picture, it can sting a little. You start to wonder what went wrong or why it seems so easy for everyone else. But the truth is, nobody's timeline is the same. What looks like ahead or behind from the outside rarely tells the whole story. Everyone's carrying something you can't see, and everyone's learning at their own pace. You might feel pressure from family, friends, work, or just the world around you to hit certain milestones by a certain age. That pressure can make you feel like you're late to your own life. But you're not. You're just on your own timeline. Try to look at what's already come from the waiting. The small lessons, the strength, the perspective you didn't have before. Those things count, even if they don't show up on a checklist. And while waiting for everything to unfold, don't put your life on hold. Life is happening now. Make space for small joys, routines, and ordinary moments. Focus on what you can do today, not only what you hope will happen tomorrow. There will be times when your motivation fades, or you feel like giving up. That's normal too. When that happens, remember why you started. Celebrate even the smallest wins. Take breaks if you need them. Keep showing up. Over time, all the small steps add up. And when there's frustration, just pause. Notice it without judging yourself. Remind yourself that your time is part of your life. It's not wasted. Keep track of small wins, however minor. Showing up day after day, even slowly, is meaningful. And sometimes it helps to check in with yourself. Could you focus more on the process than the outcome? What small steps or support would help you keep going without too much pressure, without being so hard on yourself? I wonder if you felt this too. If you feel like sharing your story, I'd love to read it in the comments. And if you'd rather stay quiet, just leave me a yellow heart so I know you're here. It's okay to take longer than you planned. The timing you imagined might not match the one that's right for you. And that's not something that needs fixing, it's something to respect. Life unfolds in layers, and sometimes the waiting is where we find the strength for what comes next. Thank you for spending a little time with me today. If you want more videos of me working in my gluebooks and sharing my life reflections, check out my playlist. For now, thank you for watching, take care of yourself, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.